Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Panasonic SC-PM600 stereo system with Bluetooth and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this stereo is not connecting to Bluetooth or your devices are not detecting it, or if it's not pairing, if the buttons are not responding, or anything like that, if it's frozen, a hard reset to the factory default settings will fix a lot of these issues. The second reason is if you just want to, for whatever reason, get this back to the way it was when it came out of the box so you can set it up like it's a new device, we can go ahead and do that really easily. All we need to do is start by unplugging this unit and leaving it unplugged for at least 3 minutes. Once we've done that, we're going to come over here and find the power button over here and just press and hold it. And while pressing and holding this power button, we can plug the stereo back in. Just keep holding this button, and keep an eye on this display up here. And once this display just shows up a whole bunch of dashes all the way across the display, dash, 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 that means basically the reset is complete. We can release the power button and set this stereo up like a brand new unit.